Hello my friends, in today's episode I will be doing a little unboxing slash review, if you can call it a review, about the power bank from XTORM Titan. It's the XB4 series. It is quite a large power bank. I got this as a bonus gift when I was buying my Canon R6 Mark II from the store, so you could have some great promotional offers when buying new stuff. So inside here you got the nice and big power bank, and underneath we got some booklets, instructions, stuff like that. So we won't be needing the box anymore. And this is our nice and beautiful power bank. When you turn it on, it will tell you over here how much charge it has left. I charged it up already, so because I got mine, it was completely empty, drained. So it tells you here how much charge you have in it. And of course, what the thing I love about it most is that it has its own cable over here that's magnetically secured, so it's not going to fall out anywhere. You just take it out, when you put it back in, it just snaps on magnetically. You can charge anything that has a USB. If you would need anything else, you would need one side of the cable to be a USB-C because it has only USB-C ports. So to charge this, you need a USB-C charger. And to charge something, you need a cable that has USB-C at least on one end, so you can plug it into here. So this is a power bank. It has 24,000 milliamp hours. So compared to cell phones that have like 3,000 milliamp hours, something around that. Cell phones have a different battery sizes, but just to compare for the average smartphone, this is like 8 smartphone batteries. So you could charge your smartphone from this, or yes, it has up to 60 watts power output. It has 2 ports, 30 watts each, and 1 port, 60 watt power output. And let's see if it could, for example, charge my MacBook. So when we open up the MacBook, we will use this cable. We will put it into the 30 watt first. I think the MacBook will use the 30 watts easily, and it's charging, as we could hear from the charging start. And if we change it up to the 60 watt power, it charges as well. So this has 24,000 milliamp hours battery capacity. That's 88 watt hours, something like that. That's to be exact, 88.8 watt hours, and the MacBook Air has 4,300, almost 4,400 milliamp hours. That's about almost 50 watt hours of battery life. So technically I could charge this laptop multiple times, so I could go a few days on this. Correct me in the comments down below if I'm wrong. I never used the watt hour stuff, so I don't know about that, but 4,400 milliamp hours and 24,000 milliamp hours, that would technically amount to at least 5 charges, and since the A1 lasts for a whole day on a single charge, technically I could go 5 days on the battery bank. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's disconnect this, close our laptop, we don't need that anymore. And so we could charge anything with this. And since the cable is magnetic, see, you can't put it in the wrong way or else the magnet will reject it. It's pushing it away. You have to put it in the right way. Just like that, with the logo facing out. That's interesting. Okay. So for other little minor information, like I said, 2 USB-C ports for 30 watts, 160 watt. It could take an input to charge it. You charge it through the 60 watt port. Or let's see if it will charge. I got my MacBook charger here through the 30 watt ports. No, it's not going to charge the 30 watt ports. As you see, 60 watt port, it's charging. And if you connect the charger to any other port, the 30 watt ports, it's not going to charge. So you could only charge it through the 60 watt port. Just like that. So if you would want to use the 60 watt port and charge the battery at the same time, well, you can't do that. So what else do we got here? It weighs about 560 grams. Yes, it is quite a chunky, heavy piece of gear. I personally haven't found a use for it because I don't go on such long trips where I'm away from power. But that might change soon, so it might come in handy. Yes, on the box it says comes pre-charged. Well, mine was completely dead, so probably laid around for quite a while on the store stock, or it was extremely cold as well in the negative temperatures, so the cold might have also discharged it too much. Airport proof, as you know, you can't take on, I don't remember if it was 90 or 100 watt hour batteries. Anything that has over that, you can't take it on a plane. So this battery still complies. You could take it on a plane. 2-year warranty, of course, and sustainable packaging from recycled materials. Yes, this product is made with recycled materials. That's at least what it says on the insert over here. Yeah, so the packaging is great quality, and also this is quite great quality. So if you're looking for a power bank, that's good. Has a great build, has a large storage capacity and a big power output, then I recommend looking at the XTORM power bank, XTORM Titan power bank. Yes, so thank you for watching, my friends. If you like this video, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. It shows me I make helpful and interesting content. So thank you for watching, take care, and see you in the next video.